Alexa, play what to say. Buruk na suaraku. What's up? It's Zach and a new episode of Did You Know? This week we are going to talk about how to turn your boring home into a smart one. If budget is not an issue for you, so hop on the bandwagon. Let's go! Number 1. A portable sound system. This is one of the ways you can turn your home into a smartphone. Get yourself a smart speaker for your living room or maybe your main hangout room. Get one of those like pocket-sized sound speakers. They're super convenient, you know? Alexa, play what to say. Yes, I can't sing. Number 2. Smart lighting. I believe every home has smart lighting. With smart lighting, users can change color or brightness of light in every room and control them just by using a smartphone anytime and anywhere in the world. No more worrying if you didn't switch on the lights at home when it gets dark. Also, smart lighting brings economic and environmental benefits. Go green lah. Number 3. Invest in a robot vacuum. Robot vacuum cleaners have really taken off in the last few years, and it is really easy to understand why. They're easy to use and very practical. Hands-free action. But are they really worth the investment? Of course, darling. They can do multiple things. They not only clean, but they remember the layout of your home. Are able to dump the dirt that they collect and then find their way back to their charging station. I mean, how cool is that? If you want to know more about this topic, check out this article. Links on the description below. That's all from me, and see you next time.